Here's how you can create a shopping list which will strike out automatically once you have purchased. So first I'll list down the items. So here I'll say items, and then what is going to be the quantity, I'll just have it over here, and then whether it's done or not, we can just have it. So these are going to be the title. So I can just try to highlight this. So below this one I can just list down all my items. Let's say I want to buy apples, then eggs, then rice. So these can be some of my items. So here I'll say I want to buy like 3 units, like 3 pieces of apples, and then like 12 piece of eggs, and then rice, let's say 5 kgs. So these are going to be my all the items whatever I need to do shopping. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert a checkbox. So whenever we are going to like purchase this item, I can just go and check this box over here. So when I'm going to check this box, automatically what will happen is that I'll try to completely strike out the text. So to do that, what I'll do is I'll use the conditional formatting. So first I'll completely try to select the complete table over here, and then I'll go to format and I'll go to conditional formatting. So here what I'm going to do is I'll have a custom formula. So the formula is nothing but if the particular cell, this cell, okay, so if it's going to be equal to, so if this particular cell, so I'll say if the cell D58 is going to be equal to true, then what I'll try to do is I'll try to completely strike out the text over here. Okay, so this is going to be the formula. So I'll not fill with any color, so I'll give done. So now when I go and say, when I try to say that this particular apples are shopped, so now when I go and say that I have shopped the X, so automatically you can see it will strike out. So similarly here also if I say rice, it will automatically strike out. Like this we can just try to create a shopping list which will automatically get striked out after we have purchased that particular item. So if you wish to use the grocery planner template, I've given the link in the first comment. You can try to go and download it from there. Also subscribe for more spreadsheet hacks.